Do you know my wife is going to give left and right to my kids. Whenever I went there to the house, immediately my kids are coming. Baba, mother beaten like anything. Like then immediately they are always telling. My wife did the bigger mistake. Like they are telling. Arey, why? Then immediately my wife is going to tell. Ask her, why I beat it. Ask her. Baba, we didn't do the homework. Arey, why you didn't do the homework? Then immediately start telling his own stories. Wow, I felt like full headache. Okay, not in the position to do that. I told tomorrow I will do that. Okay, like he is explaining his own reasons. Okay, why he did it. Remember that. Remember that. No one in the world accept their mistakes. If no one in the world accept their mistakes, then automatically blaming someone, criticizing someone, what did they use? What did they use? Useless activity. If you are getting the chance to blame someone, if you are getting the chance to criticize someone, don't do that. Okay? Because they never going to accept their mistakes. Even they know they did the mistake, but they are always self-defense. They're always going to tell, oh, I did that because of so and so. This is the reason. Otherwise, I may not do this activity. N number of reasons. So the first thing you people should be aware. How many times you told that my wife is doing that mistake? Array, she don't know at least how much salt she required to keep in the curry. She don't know at least. Array, my kid, they don't know how to keep the dress very clean. Yeah? Like criticizing, complaining, these kind of activities. Don't do that. There is no use of those activities. I hope it's clear. Everyone in a position to understand?
Yes, sir.
Then obviously, sir, without correcting, without telling how they are going to correct. So, attack is the different, correction is the different. Criticizing means we are attacking on their self-respect. Remember this one. They are always in a position to defending themselves. Okay, they never going to correct. Understand them. Okay, why they did the mistake. Think about in their perspective, and then slowly we require to correct. Not with the critics, not with the criticism kind of thing.